Today I'll be answering the question, what is a SERP or what are SERPs? So a SERP is a search engine results page, and SERPs is just the plural version, search engine results pages. To give you a quick example, if I go to Google and I search best Google Ads agency, this is my SERP. So this is the search engine results page for me when I enter this search term. Now these can vary for each individual searcher based on what you're entering, based on where you're located, and a number of different factors. So let's go over SERPs a little bit more. To define them, it's the page that appears with organic and paid results, not always paid results, but they do always have organic results, after someone enters a search query in a search engine. A SERP may have paid ads, websites, image packs, video carousels, featured snippets. People also ask, knowledge panels, local packs, and even more depending on the search query and a user's search intent. Next, why are SERPs important for SEO? So with SEO, we are obviously doing keyword research and creating content based on a lot of the keywords that we're coming up with. So we're creating content about specific topics. People use keywords to look up specific topics, and the goal of SEO is to rank high on search engines and on the search engine results pages for your targeted keywords. So when you look at these SERPs, and if we just look at best Google Ads agency, it starts with 3 advertisements at the very top. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 organic listings along with the video pack here. And then at the very bottom, we have another advertisement. So you can see with only 8 to 10 organic listings, you want to rank as high as possible. And businesses really need to be on the first page for their targeted keywords to get the most traffic. And really you want to be in that very top spot, or at least the top 3 spots. There's a lot of statistics that show as you go further down the SERPs, you're getting less and less traffic, organic traffic back to your website. So that brings up the next question. How do I rank higher on SERPs? How do you get to that top spot of search engine results pages? It's very difficult. Obviously, you need to have a great website where you're consistently creating great content and pages that are solving for the search intent of your targeted keywords. You always want to keep your content relevant, up to date. Make sure you're using best practices for on-page SEO. Website should be secure, no technical issues, it should be fast, and you should provide a great user experience. And then last but not least, you need to build backlinks from other websites. Ranking in the very first spot on Google takes a lot of time, and it may take years of demonstrating to Google that you have expertise in a topic. So it's very difficult to rank high, but ultimately what you want to do is create the best possible content and solve for search intent better than any of your competitors. And search intent is important because there's different types of searches, so understanding what people are actually looking for: navigational, informational, commercial, and transactional. So I'll show you those 4 examples right now. With navigational, someone is searching for exactly what they're looking for. So somebody who goes to Google and searches for Shutterstock, they are looking most likely for the Shutterstock website. But if you see the results here, you have the Shutterstock website. We have the people also asking images, but then we have the Twitter, we have their YouTube channel, we have their app on the Google Play Store, their Instagram page, their Facebook page. So you can see pretty much every single result on the first page just leads to a different channel for Shutterstock. So that is a navigational search term, and you don't really want to target navigational search terms unless it's specific for your own business. Otherwise, targeting your competitors' search terms can be very difficult to rank for because Google wants to return to people exactly what they're searching. Informational is someone who is actually seeking information. So this would be somebody who looks up SEO ranking factors. So all of these different listings are going to be explanations for the different ranking factors, optimization tips, 7 confirmed Google ranking factors. So you're seeing that these are all providing the information. Now the next one is commercial. So we're going to go right back to our best Google Ads agency. This is somebody who is actually doing research. So somebody who's searching for reviews or searching for the best of pretty much anything. That is a commercial search intent because it's somebody who is looking up and researching about some specific topic or products before they're going to make a purchase. Now, last but not least is transactional, and that is somebody who is looking specifically for something like a wood dining table for 8. So here you're going to see some shopping ads at the top. We have a sponsored section for Wayfair, so just a text ad here. And then all of these are going to bring me 2 pages where I can purchase an 8-person dining table on all of these really authoritative websites. So coming back over to our Definition of search engine results pages. It is the page that is going to appear after someone enters any search term into any search engine like Google, Bing, Yahoo. It could be any search engine you could possibly think of. SERPs are going to vary in the way that they look, and ultimately, if you're trying to rank high in SERPs, you need to create the best possible content, and you need to do it consistently for a huge number of keywords, and make sure that you consistently keep creating that great content, and you will rank higher in the SERPs and drive more traffic back to your website. If you have any questions about what a SERP is, please leave them in the comments section. Hopefully this video answers all your questions and gives you some tips for getting started with improving your SEO strategy. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.